Hi, I'm Nancy. Welcome to my kitchen. So let's get started.
For today, I'm going to show you how to make the classic steamed eggs. So let's review the ingredients. I have a couple of eggs, a sprig of green onion, seasoning salt mix, white pepper, water, and Shaoxing wine. For the prep, let's start with the eggs. A major factor in cooking the perfect steamed eggs is using the correct water to egg ratio. The technique I'm about to show you is very simple. I'm using AA large eggs. We'll crack it into a bowl. And this is a standard rice bowl. And I'm going to pour enough water in here to come up to about a 1/4 inch from the rim. And that is going to be enough water for 1 egg. We'll put this into a mixing bowl. We'll do the same with the next egg. And with this type of measurement, it's going to be perfect every time. And what this does, it allows you to not just have to cook multiple eggs, but you can cook 1 egg at a time, 2 eggs, 3 eggs, whichever amount of eggs you like to cook, and the water ratio will always be correct. So next, let's give the eggs a quick whisk. And I'm going to add a little bit of seasoning. This is the seasoning salt mix. And I like to add a little white pepper. This can be optional. And just a swig of Shaoxing wine. Give this a good whisk. Okay, so next, strain the eggs into your steaming dish. Okay, put that aside. And to remove the air bubbles from the whisking, I take a paper towel and I just run it across the top of the eggs. And that's going to collect the bubbles. And that looks good. Eggs are done. Next, let's slice the green onion. And this is just going to be garnish at the end. Okay, so all the prep is done. Let's start cooking. Okay, to steam the eggs, bring a pot of water up to a boil. Put a steaming rack in, or if you have a steamer, you can use that. And just place the eggs right in the center. And as you can see, the water is at a rapid boil. So one of the major factors of cooking a perfect steamed egg is to let it steam at a very low temperature. So what we're going to do is turn it down to low and let it steam for 20 to 25 minutes. And this is going to create a very silken tender texture for the egg. And we'll be back to check it. Okay, 20 minutes has elapsed. Let's check on the eggs. And this looks really good. We can do the jiggle test. Oh, and that looks good. Another way to check for doneness is use a toothpick. Put it in the center. If it comes out clean, it's done. And at this point, I like to sprinkle on the green onions. Turn off the heat, and I like to cover it just for another minute. And the residual heat is going to be enough to cook away the rawness of the onions. Okay, 1 minute is up. Oh, that looks really good. And the cooking time may vary depending on the size and depth of the dish that you're using. Sometimes I like to cook individual eggs in a rice bowl. And it takes about the same time, 20 minutes. But check on it. And while you're steaming the eggs, don't be tempted to turn up the heat to make it cook faster. What that does is it's going to create a lot of air bubbles, and it's going to change the entire texture of the eggs. And it's also going to taste grainy, and you can taste the egginess of the dish. So let's serve this. And here we have a bowl of the classic steamed eggs. It's absolutely delicious. It's going to literally melt in your mouth. It has a very smooth, velvety, silky, and tender texture. And as you can see, the eggs have a very nice jiggle. It's perfectly cooked. Let's cut into it. And you can see the texture. And it's perfect. And I like to serve it with a drizzle of sesame oil and some soy sauce. And this tastes really good. Enjoy! Okay, let's see if Shadow likes it. Ooh, yummy. She likes steamed eggs too. Thank you for watching, everyone. Until next time, eat well and be healthy.